Hello, it's me, Natalie, and welcome back. I made a mistake today, or yesterday, and I let my aloe veras outside during a snowstorm. Or not snowstorm, but like, it got icy. And you can see that these leaves are pretty much gone, down to practically here, actually. And it's still cold in the middle. So I'm just gonna cut this, and you can see that it's gone because it just oozes. It's a lot better, but this would have definitely rotted. You can see that this is kind of still alive, but all of this is like dark and stuff. And here, I'll even cut this a little, and you can see that the gel has just become liquid. Ah, it popped. And it's gross. And I'm making a huge mess that I'm going to have to clean. But yeah, this is my like 4-year-old, or no, 2 years old aloe vera plant that I disappointed today. See, I mean, this one's not too bad, but you can see that this is all dead here. Like the ends are dead. And you can't use, after this starts rotting, you can't use it, so. And all this middle stuff is just pure liquid, pretty much. Also, I got a tripod, so I'm stepping up the game. The game has been stepped up. So I will just continue to cut. Oh, this one's still like frozen. I can feel it like crunching in my hand. Take as much as I can off because I don't really want to introduce too much like rot into the plant. Here is kind of my end result. Zoom in editor. I'm gonna go put this in the plant room for it to callus and dry. And I'm also going to put some spray, like, okay, so this is like half water, half hydrogen peroxide, if you can tell. And it's actually backwards. Okay. Now, just to make sure that the cuts don't get like infected with rot, because this looks pretty healthy right here. But I'm gonna go put this in the plant room, which is warm. This one might, oops. Okay, never mind, its roots are completely gone. I think this one's a goner. This one might live, actually. And it's actually standing straight now, kinda. Straighter than before. This leaf is gone, and this leaf is definitely gone. That leaf is gone. This one looks like it might be okay. This one's surprisingly warm. Okay, this one might live. Actually, surprisingly. I'll put it in the room later, here in a second. Here's this one. This one definitely looks like it's going to live. It just has a couple of problematic leaves, like this one. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This one's not as bad, actually, but it's still, like, really, like, if you can bend them like this, that's not a good sign. Healthy leaves, you shouldn't be able to bend. You know what? Fuck it. I'll just remove all of the old leaves, and I'll keep the center. This, you know, I don't know. This one might be savable. Another one. It's like making a mess. It's really fun. This one's gonna look interesting when it grows bigger. It's got like a little nub and then this big boy. Ah, these ones are dead for sure. That sucks. Ugh. Well, maybe not this one. It might survive if I cut off literally everything. We'll see how it goes. It had a little bit of like a white to it. And then I think I'll just let these into the plant, the ones that survived, into the plant room. And see how they go. I don't know about my other plants that kind of look sad. But I think they'll just be fine. Maybe not, though. I don't know. Hopefully this video sounds okay. But yeah, I ended up with a lot of dead aloe. There we go. Time to go callus. Share if you thought this was a good video. Like if you liked it. And don't trust the weather. Bye-bye.